Alright guys, we're working on a Whirlpool refrigerator, actually more like a maintenance. As you can see, it's pretty a lot of dust. So this is on a Whirlpool French door, and we're going to do a vacuuming on this, get all that stuff sucked out. Now, your fridge works best when all that stuff is cleaned and no buildup. Your fridge basically is a heat extractor. It pulls the heat out from your food and it is deposited right there. So if you can't expel that heat, your fridge will not work properly and it will cost more energy and it's harder on the board. It's just harder on everything. So keep that nice and clean. After you're done vacuuming, you could use the vacuum as a blower or use compressed air and finish blowing all that stuff out. You definitely want to make sure it's nice and clean. Whirlpool has their coils or condenser at the bottom. Frigidaire, I think, is at the back. So is LG, GE, Samsung. On Whirlpool, you will need to get airbags and insert them under the side of the refrigerator towards the front, so you can actually raise the refrigerator up to get access to it. As you can see, the job was done and I was getting ready to lower the unit. You will see it shortly. Still blowing and getting it nice and clean. And the airbags, there they are, one on each side. Now I'm lowering the unit. Excellent. Thanks for watching.